So this is the part where I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Blackboard. I use Blackboard for all of my courses, and this course specifically. You'll see a couple of different features. First is the announcements section, and I will send an announcement at least once a week after each course or after each week, just preparing you for the next week and what do you have to do. So please check those announcements. I often, if I make changes or anything, they'll happen through announcements. I try not to use email because then it can get lost, where the announcements in Blackboard's right there. You will see the syllabus right under the tab that says syllabus, so you can always access that. Course content. I do try to have every week the course content and what I'm doing each week. So, for example, if you miss a course or if you found something really interesting, you want to go back, I will try to put things under each week. So, for example, the readings for the following week, I put so the reading for week 1 will be in the week 1 folder. The reading for week 2, if there's external reading, will be in that folder. So please keep up with the course content. You can see that there's a folder for each week. All of the assignments are described under assignment description, and I've really tried to keep a similar format for all these assignments so that you will see the assignment description, what tasks you have to do, and how it will be evaluated. So all of for the whole semester, you can kind of take a look. I was trying to open one right now. You will see one right here. Again, I tried to show where it's aligned to the Common Core States or main Common Core teaching standards, our department mission, and the learning objective for the course. Here's a description. Here's what you have to do and how it is graded. So you will find every single assignment under assignment descriptions. Underneath assignment descriptions, you will find submit assignments. And this is how I want you to get your work to me. I find it much easier. Everything's there. Please, please, please do not submit anything in Pages because I cannot read Pages. It has to be either Google Doc, Word, or PDF. And you can see this is where you will put all of your assignments or submit them. And finally, discussion board, if we use it, which we will. As you can see, I've already done some posts and I will walk you through that. So I hope many of you have had before, so I know you're familiar with Blackboard, but just know that is how we're going to be doing a lot of the work for this class.